Welcome back friends, welcome to NEET with Bioscience. We are talking about lipids, and in that our today's topic of discussion is classification of lipids. So lipids, these are classified mainly into the four different classes that are, first is simple lipid, second is the compound lipid, third one is derived lipid, and the fourth one is the miscellaneous lipid. Miscellaneous lipids. These are the four classes in which the lipids are broadly classified: simple lipid, compound lipid, derived lipid, and miscellaneous lipid. In the last class we had already discussed that what is the basic structure of lipid. Lipid, these are generally the esters of fatty acid with polyhydric alcohol. So that is the structure of simple lipid. What is there in a simple lipid? Fatty acid and alcohol. So if fatty acid, only the fatty acid and alcohols are present, then it is simple lipid. If apart from fatty acid, alcohol, some additional group is present, then it is known as a compound lipid. So fatty acid, alcohol plus additional group. What are derived lipid? Derived lipid are those lipid which are obtained from hydrolysis of simple lipid and compound lipid. Alright, so these are obtained from hydrolysis of simple and compound lipid. And what are miscellaneous lipid? Miscellaneous lipid, those are those lipids which possess the characteristic of these lipids. Okay, so this possesses the characteristic of lipid. Okay, so depending upon that, simple, compound, derived and miscellaneous lipids. We will talk about the one by one about the each class. So first, what are simple lipid? Simple lipid, then these are further classified into two classes: triacylglyceride or triglyceride or fats and oil, all are the same thing, and waxes. Compound lipid, these are further sub-classified into phospholipid, then glycolipid and lipoprotein. Derived lipid have examples like fatty acid, monoacylglycerol, diacylglycerol, ketone bodies, vitamin A, D, E, K, steroid. So these are some example of derived lipid, and the miscellaneous lipids are carotenoids, terpenes. So these are some example of miscellaneous lipids. So now let's start our discussion one by one. So the first we will see about the simple lipids. First class is simple lipid. Okay, so the first first class of lipid is simple lipids. Simple lipids are esters of fatty acid and alcohol. So they are of two classes: triacylglycerol or triglycerides, or which is also known as a fats and oils. And the second class is waxes. What are triglycerides? In the triglycerides, along with fatty acid, the alcohol present here is glycerol. So this is triglyceride. the fat that we mostly eat is triglyceride, okay, and the fat that is stored in our body as a source of fuel is also triglyceride. Around 9 kilocalorie per gram of energy is released from the triglyceride. The difference between the fat and oil is that the fats, these are generally the solid at room temperature, and the liquids, oils, these are liquid at room temperature. So this is all about a triglyceride. Second is the waxes. These are also the ester of fatty acid and alcohol, but here the alcohol is other than glycerol. For example, cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol, which is around the 16 carbon compound. So this is about the waxes. Waxes, they do not have any metabolic role in the animal body, but these waxes are used in the industrial purposes, like during in a pharmaceutical industry or in a cosmetic industry to make lotion, ointment, etc. So this is all about the simple lipids. Simple lipids what? These are ester of fatty acid and alcohol. There are two classes, fats and oil, or also known as a triglyceride, where the fatty acid and glycerol is there. Second is a waxes, where fatty acid and the alcohol is other than glycerol, for example cetyl alcohol, and these waxes are used in the industrial purposes. The second class of lipid is compound lipids. So the second class of lipid is compound lipid. What are compound lipid? We had just discussed that apart from fatty acid and alcohol, some additional group is there, so it is compound lipids. So depending upon the additional group, these are further subdivided into phospholipid, where the phosphate group is there. Second is the glycolipid, where the additional group is carbohydrate, and the third is lipoprotein, where additional group is protein. So depending upon that, their compound lipids are further subdivided into phospholipid, glycolipid and lipoprotein. Alright. Phospholipid, these are further subdivided into two classes depending upon the alcohol which is present here. So these are further divided into two classes. These are glycerophospholipid and sphingophospholipid. What is the basic structure of phospholipid? In a phospholipid, fatty acid, alcohol plus phosphate group plus nitrogenous base. Okay, so this is the basic structure of phospholipid: fatty acid, alcohol, phosphate group and nitrogen base. So depending upon this alcohol, if the alcohol is glycerol, then it is glycerophospholipid, and if the alcohol is a sphingosine, then it is a sphingophospholipid. So here the alcohol is the glycerol in glycerophospholipid, and here alcohol is sphingosine, which is 18 carbon amino alcohol. So depending upon glycerophospholipid, sphingophospholipid. Example of glycerophospholipids are lecithin, cephalin, phosphatidyl inositol, then phosphatidyl serine, plasminogen. So these are some example of glycerophospholipid. In sphingophospholipid, We had discussed the alcohol is sphingosine, and the example of sphingophospholipid is a sphingomyelin, which is this lipid sphingomyelin. It is generally present in a myelin sheet which is present around the axons. Yeah, in the neuron myelin sheet is there. So the lipid which is present in the myelin sheet is a sphingomyelin. So this is about the phospholipid. Second class is a glycolipid. What is there in the glycolipid? In glycolipid, fatty acid plus alcohol plus carbohydrate and nitrogenous base, and here alcohol is sphingosine. So this is glycolipid. Example of glycolipids are cerebrosides and gangliosides. Okay, so two subclasses we had discussed of compound lipid, phospholipid, glycolipid. The third subclass is lipoproteins. Lipoproteins, these are complex molecules of lipid plus protein, and example of lipoproteins are chylomicron, VLDL, very low density lipoprotein, high density lipoprotein, and low density lipoproteins. Chylomicrons, VLDL, HDL and LDL. So this is about the compound lipids. Compound lipids, what is compound lipid? If fatty acid and alcohol, apart from fatty acid and alcohol, some additional group is present, then it is known as a compound lipid. Compound lipids are subdivided into three classes: phospholipid, where the additional group is phosphate; glycolipid, where additional group is carbohydrate; and lipoproteins, where the additional group is protein. So this is about compound lipid. Third class of lipid is derived lipids. Third class is derived lipids. We had discussed during the introductions what are derived lipids. Derived lipids, these are obtained from the hydrolysis of simple lipid and compound lipid. Okay, so these are derived lipid. Examples of derived lipids are fatty acid, steroid, eicosanoids, monoacylglycerol, diacylglycerol, ketone bodies, steroid, cholesterol. So these are some example of derived lipid. Steroid, steroid, example of the steroids in a glucocorticoid, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone. So these are some example of steroids. Eicosanoids, these are derived from the arachidonic acid, which is a 20 carbon compound, and the further example in eicosanoids are prostaglandin, leukotrienes, lipoxin. So these are some further example of eicosanoids. So this is all about the derived lipid, and the last class of the lipid is miscellaneous lipid. Miscellaneous lipids. What are miscellaneous lipids? Miscellaneous lipids are those which possesses the characteristic of lipids, and the example here is squalene, carotenoids, and terpenes. Squalene, this generally obtained during the synthesis of cholesterol. Okay, so this is all about the classification of lipids. Very shortly we will summarize. Lipids are classified into 4 classes: simple lipid, compound lipid, derived lipid and miscellaneous lipids. Simple lipids are only the fatty acid and alcohol. If additional group is there, then it is compound lipid. If it is obtained from the hydrolysis of simple and compound, so third group is derived, and the fourth is a miscellaneous lipids which possesses the characteristic of lipids. So this is all about the classification of lipids. In the next class we will study what are fatty acids and classification nomenclature of fatty acids. Okay, so if you are finding this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.